Hey guys, this is Ganesh. Welcome back to Ganesh Jadhav Automation Studio.
Today we are going to learn about the how to install Postgres server on our machine and how to basically use it, because a lot of people requested to us, please start a session on the Postgres. So that is why we are going to start, guys. So welcome to our first session. So how to basically install and how to use it our Postgres SQL server. So for that we are going to install, we are going to search over here Postgres download on the Google Chrome. We are going to search, and then later on what exactly we need to do, we need to click on this download PostgreSQL. Once this is done, we have these many options. We have like the PostgreSQL server basically available for Linux, Mac OS, Windows, BSD, Solaris. So basically we have a Windows users, and we have to so we need to click on this Windows option. Once we click on this Windows options, what exactly we need to do, you can see guys, these many versions are available over here, like PostgreSQL Server 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. So out of this, we need to use PostgreSQL Server 15. So here I need to click on this installer. Once I click on uh, this link, download the installer. You can see, guys, new pop-up you will get over here. And out of this, you need to click on the you need to click on the you need to download the particular PostgreSQL server. So you can see latest server we have 15.1. So this is the Mac OS operating system version. We have Windows x86. So basically we need to click on over here. So once you click on over here, guys, around 350 MB file we have. I already downloaded this file on one machine. So here you can see this is how your file is look like this. So once you are done with once you are completed with your download, what exactly you need to do, you just need to double click over here. This is .exe file, and here you can see, guys, your Postgres SQL server is starting. Like installation setup window will be open soon. And here you can see, guys, your PostgreSQL server is open. You have to, so this is welcome setup window we have. You just need to click on this next button. Once you click on the next button, your where is your directory, like on your machine, in which directory, in which folder your setup will be installed. So this is the path. For that you will have to click on the next button. Here you can see these many four options. We have PostgreSQL server, it means this is your actual database. Then you have a pgadmin 4. This is the UI interaction. Basically we have GUI, we can say that. Stack builder, basically we don't require for this stack builder. And command line tool. So this is like for this we need to require, like so whenever you want to access the particular PostgreSQL from the command line, we have to use this thing. Okay, once this is done, guys, you have to click on just simple next button. Again you have to click on the next button, and you have to set the particular password. So I'm setting my password over here. Like you can type your own password here, guys. Okay, when this is done, uh, then both the password should same. This is port number. By default it is coming up, so you don't need to change this port number. Just let it be, let it be this port number over here. And again click on the next button. Localhost, let it be these many local hosts basically we have, but let it be default local host options, let it be selected. And again you have to click on this next button. Okay, and now once you click on this again next button, your installation is going to start. You can see, guys, setup is now ready for begin installing PostgreSQL on my machine. And my like the setup is going to install. And again I need to click on this next button. Once I'm clicking on this next button, you can see, guys, the installation is automatically starting over here. Okay, it will take some time, guys. Okay, so here you can see, guys, our PostgreSQL database successfully installed on our machine, and we need to click on this finish option. Once we are clicking on this finish option, it means our PostgreSQL successfully installed. How to check like whether our PostgreSQL is successfully installed or not? Simple, you need to search Postgres over here, and you can see, guys, this folder is coming up over here. Like you can see, So here you can see guys, so pg admin option you will get over here. Okay, once you are double click over here, so pg admin is, this is nothing but you can access the database from the UI. This is a user interface basically we have. So this is meant by the post like pg admin UI we have. Now another question you have, like how basically we can check ki our PostgreSQL is successful start or running. So simple, what exactly you have to do guys, you need to search on the services over here. Okay, you just need to search the services over here, and you can see guys, like your PostgreSQL server is available over there. And here you can see guys, you just need to search the PostgreSQL. Here you can see, this is the PostgreSQL server we have. This is the like this is server we have, and this is running server. The status of this server is running. So it means your server is successfully running. Once we are done with the installation of PostgreSQL, how to make sure that whether our application is successfully installed on our machine or not? How to basically check? So simple, what exactly you have to do guys, you need to search the pgadmin over here in the search button. You can see guys, pgadmin 4 options you will get. It means your PostgreSQL successfully installed over here. But but what is meant by the pgadmin guys? Pgadmin is nothing but you can access the database with the help of the pgadmin and from the command line. So you can simply access this thing. This is the first way. Second way, you can use the p like SQL. You can search over here, and you can see guys, SQL cell. This is a PSQL. PostgreSQL options you will get over here. These are the 2 options we have. And then third confirmation we have, like our PostgreSQL server is successfully up and running or not. So for that, what exactly we have to do guys, you just need to click on the search button, and you have to write down services. Once you are writing down the services, you will get this services option. Once you will get this services option, you have to open these services like this, and you can see guys, your PostgreSQL option is like this is the PostgreSQL server we have, and this is up and running successfully. So it means your like Postgres is running successfully over here. Then what exactly you have to do guys, now you want to access your PostgreSQL. So for that, what exactly you have to do, you just need to write down pg admin. You have to write down, and you need to double click over here. You have to open this. This is an graphics, I mean to say GUI of the PostgreSQL. So what exactly we have to do, once you double click on that option, your PostgreSQL option is like opening up like this guys. And here you have to provide the password which you already given while installation. So here I'm just giving my password over here, so you can use your own password. And once I'm clicking on this OK option, you can see guys, and if I'm clicking on this server option, probably you can see the different options we have. Here you can see Postgres as 14 option we have, Postgres 15 option we have. So this is the options we will get over here. So again, I'm inserting the password over here, and you can see guys, I am successfully accessing my database over here from the UI. So this is the first options we have. Okay, once we are done with this thing guys, we have another option for accessing the PostgreSQL, which is named as the SQL command line. So how basically we can open? So simple, you need to search, like where you need to press the Windows button over here, and simply you have to search SQL. So you can see guys, SQL shell basically you can see over here, and you just need to double click over here. Once you are clicking on once you are double click over here, you can see guys, your Windows command prompt opening like this. So first options you will get server localhost. You don't need to write down over here anything. Simple press enter button over here. Then another options we have database. Postgres. Just let it be. Don't insert anything here as well, and just click on the enter button. Then you will have a port number 5432. Do you like, if you remember, while installing, this is a by default port number for PostgreSQL 5432. Again, you have to click on this enter button. Now fourth options we have, which is named as a username Postgres. Even here as well, you don't need to insert anything. If you remember, while installing we use the username and password, but here also you don't need to provide any username. And if you are pressing the enter button, then next options you will get about the password. So here password compulsory you have to enter, guys. So here I'm entering the password, and once I'm entering the password, here you can see, guys, by default PostgreSQL database is connecting over here. So if you want to make sure how many databases we have in our PostgreSQL, so here is simple. You have to use / and L keyword. Basically, we have to use, and if you are pressing enter, you can see, guys, 3 rows you will get over here. So it means 3 database we have. Once this is done, then even you can ask the help from the take a help from the Postgres shell as well. So simple, you have to use / help command. Basically, you have to use, and you can see, guys, you will get a multiple help over here. So this is how basically we can install PostgreSQL on our machine, and this is how basically we can access our PostgreSQL with the help of the GUI. This is our GUI, and with the help of the command line. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.